Well, it's not
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I meant like when 9:30 is about to open.
Oh. How do you know? Oh, at the bottom. Duh.
Yeah, the
Are you gonna go live today?
I'm already live.
Mm.
So right now, this is my Model 2 setup. It might be a bit confusing, but I'm officially taking this now,
Ooh.
risking 1 to 2% a
I
trade.
don't like the reaction off that.
What do you mean? This is just me selling above 8:30 and midnight. So prices above 8:30 and midnight at 9:25, between 9:25 and 9:30. So I'm going to go in for a sell, risking 1% with a 30-point stop loss, minimum 3 RR, aiming for the next short-term low. So I'm not aiming for this short-term low because on the 5 and 15 minute, it's just a really long wick. So I mean, I could. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's worth the. It's like 5 RR. That's really good. I just usually I think here's better because I don't usually like aiming for these long wicks, so I think I'll aim for something with a bit more body. It should be here then, at that low, at 3.6 R, which is already a lot, but I'm thinking stretching it out to these bodies down here. Maybe we'll go for like about a 4, because this is like, usually I should be aiming for this low. I just don't want to aim down here. I just think it's irrelevant because of how long the wick is. So I'm gonna go for about a 4 RR, and we'll see. I was scared of getting stopped out here because I can get in between 9:25 to 9:30, and I saw like 9:25 it just started going up. So if I had waited just 2 minutes, I would have had a better entry. I thought about moving my stop, but whatever. I mean, I am risking between 1 and 2%, so technically I could move my stop up if I wanted to. Well, minimum needs to be 30 points stop. Anyways, looking pretty good. It's shot it down so far. We've really been trending a lot, so I think we're overextended and due for a pullback. I also think the news that came out makes it too bullish, and we've already had a bit of reaction upwards. So, with also UJ and dumping and gold rallying, those are all factors that could contribute to maybe a pullback in price on the Nasdaq. But you got in Nolani, right?
Mhm.
Nice.
Yeah.
Where's your TP?
Um, it's right above London High, so it's at 23,795.
London High?
Well, because I can only make 1,500 per trade, right?
No, no, remember, go for the most you can make. Because what if you get 10 losses in a row? You want to keep resetting your
Yeah, but
account?
it's a combine.
But you're not going to fail the comp. You're not going to be ineligible. Your profit target's going to move up.
Okay, I'm gonna move it then.
It's better to do that and take longer to pass the challenge, have a bigger profit target, than
Where's your take profit?
well, so it should be at the low 23,725 and a quarter, but it's a really long wick.
Oh
I don't.
yeah.
So I'm aiming for
London lows or midnight open.
3 a.m. lows.
Yeah, so London low.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it should be the 8:30 a.m. low. Like if we're trading by the rules, we should be aiming for 8:30 a.m. low. But you could aim for there. I never like targeting long wicks. I feel uncomfortable doing that. I'd rather target whatever 830 swept so then the bodies can go there and sweep it. It doesn't necessarily have to go to the wick low. But it could keep going way past it too.
Wait, let me check my settings to make sure it's not on like auto. Okay, no. Yeah, it's not on there. Good.
Yeah, because this way, you know, if you run into 10 losses in a row, you know, you might be able to make 4 RR and make up for a lot more of those losses.
How much did you risk on this trade?
1 to 2%. So I think it's like
You took it on your
1.2%.
live?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna distribute all the way down?
Yeah. Maybe. We'll see. It could also distribute all the way up.
Yeah, I could.
Yeah, sorry, comment WLP. Are you making sure I'm not talking shit? I see I have one viewer. As I'm gonna talk so much shit. I'm gonna talk so much smack.
Cause you're a little smack talker online.
Yeah, sometimes. She's stressing, she's stressing.
There is a lot of liquidity down there.
Yeah, a lot of liquidity down. We gotta go down, get the liquidity.
Do you think it's gonna take out the highs though from August 13th?
No, it doesn't have to. Cause I'm looking at it. I was looking at this. Remember like 2022 before we had a huge market crash, or like market downturn. Ahead of that, when markets were at highs, like around 2021, you know, we had a very long period of time where we moved sideways, and like I told my brother not to buy anything new because it could go up like very 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 quickly, but it could also go down very quickly, and it could just be moving to the side, which would allow, you know, which allow time for banks to assess more risk because maybe they're just not involved in the market too much, and or maybe they're selling and building a short position. So the market's just kind of consolidating while the narrative is still, you know, a lot of excitement around the stock market, a lot of people getting in. So I don't know. I'm looking at that, and then, you know, I had an idea of if I were to be doing options right now, I'd be doing a strategy. I think it's like an iron dome, where you have two options, but you're shorting a call and you're longing a put, and you put it, you put the, you long the put at a certain level, and then you short the call at another level below it, and so it's an iron corridor, I think, an iron corridor, and it creates this like this range between that low and high wherever you short and long at the same time, and as long as price stays between that level, you make a lot of money. Like your account's gonna make a lot of money. So I would have done that, within this. I think we're just gonna be moving sideways, up and down, for a while, until there's a catalyst on the Nasdaq. If we are to have a pullback, otherwise, we're probably gonna get another run. But I really think that's highly unlikely to happen.
I heard September is the worst trading month.
What? September? Who told you that?
I've heard that from multiple people.
Everybody says different things all the time.
I don't feel good.
What? What happened?
Oh, my nose is still running.
Bleeding?
No. It's just running.
Oh, you're sick?
I hope I'm not sick. I don't think I'm sick. But I did drink a Red Bull last night.
It's a skill issue if she's sick. I'm kidding.
And I didn't eat healthy today. So that's probably why.
No.
I got McDonald's.
What the heck?
I know. I'm just eating anything right now until I can start meal prepping again.
Which is when?
On my off day.
Okay.
So Monday, Tuesday. What the hell?
I'm gonna go moisturize my face. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Sit tight. Don't press any buttons.
I'm not gonna touch anything.
Alright, good girl.
OMG. This is crazy. I wonder if you'll be able to hear me on this. Okay, let's go.
back at break even. You know, if we go to the stop here, this would be my model. Oh wait. Hello?
Hello?
I'm back. If we go to stop here, this would be my model to go like it would be the framework for my model.
What do you mean?
My model 1. My first model. My main model. Yeah. Actually, after my dream last night, I think this is going to be my main model. Model 2. Called NLP. Model 1 probably will be called Cookie Cutter.
NLP. Noelani. Leon.
Yeah, because we trade the same model. You just said my full name on stream. Now people are going to hack me and track me down.
They're not gonna dox you.
Oh, there's no one watching anyway.
I know, that's why I'm the only watcher. I'm your number one fan.
You have my social security though, so you could have doxed me already if you wanted to.
Yeah, I know where you live.
Whoa!
Not yet, at least. I will know where you live.
That's crazy.
Pretty soon I have all the infinity stones to be able to dox you.
What the fuck? You're gonna wipe away half of my body. Only keep the lower half.
Price would have been fucking with you if you took your Model 2 right here.
My Model 1?
Yeah, your Model 1.
No, it hasn't shown up yet.
Oh,
We need to have a sweep. So not anymore because we had a long wick lower. Like I don't know. Well, like if we run up above the 920 high, then yeah, that's like a short-term price swing. It's well structured. I don't know because the 930 had a long wick higher. But no, ignoring the wicks, the bodies look nice. This is a nice structured sweep lower. If we were to very quickly here run up above to the stop, then it would be the framework to get into my Model 1. We would still need displacement and fair value gap though.
Price keeps hoeing us.
Okay, listen. So, my friend Lewis wanted to trade. And he's trading our model. He's learning, right? So whatever. I told him to go short or ahead of 930. I told him to sell, but he thought I meant he doesn't understand that selling the market in futures is going short. So you're either taking profit on a buy or you're shorting the market. So he bought his shorts back. Instead, he thinking that's what I meant by saying sell.
Oh, no.
So he closed the position.
Aww. Put him on call.
No, he's busy right now. He doesn't use Discord anyway. I don't want him in the server until he's actually a trader either.
You put me in the Discord.
Yeah, because you're a real trader. Yeah, this is probably going to lose.
What if I'm a fake trader? And I've just been faking it all along.
And then you're a very good liar. But if we run up above this short-term high, so
that would be crazy.
what I'm looking at is this price swing, the bodies that created this price swing. If we run up above the short-term high at 9:30 here, this is a long wick, so I don't really know if I'm going to be looking at that one, but I'm more looking at like this general area. Let's just use this. If we run up above this and the bodies close above the yellow highlighted area, then I would have what I would need to get into, you know, my model 1, which is my model I'm usually trading on stream, not this model.
Bullish,
and then I would be looking to go short with a lot more risk because it's higher probability model. I actually calculated the win rate this year so far. It's been 75%, 18 and 6, so only 24 trades throughout the year. Most of them I took, but I refined the model a lot, so a lot of the trades I took this year with that model were now faulty trades. I'm more so.
We'll see. We got.
Let's see. We're probably gonna
9 more minutes.
run to the stop here, and then I'll have my entry for my other model.
Hourly candle closure.
Why is that significant?
Well, usually when a new hourly candle opens, there's a lot of volume.
Oh. So it would just mean it would go to our stop faster.
Yeah, it could either go either way once it opens. To stops or TP.
I want stop because then I can trade my first model.
You can't do 2 models at the same time.
No, I can't. I tried. I went on MNQ1. I mean, I'd have to trade MNQ2. But then the volume would be really shitty. Or I'd have to trade contracts. Price is really holding us, huh?
It's been very wicky at market open. Every single day this past week. 2 weeks, actually.
I'm just looking at the 5-minute chart. It's a lot easier to look at, in my opinion. Like, you get a lot less candles, a lot less fair value gaps, and a lot less reason to be scared. I've always found that. The higher the time frame you go, the easier it is to, like, just chill.
It's easier to use it as confluence. Higher time frames.
No, I mean, like, once you're in your trade, you just have to sit and wait. Either don't look at it, or me, what helped is looking at higher time frames. Because then it's like there's less candles and there's less reason to change your decision or to get second guess.
That's
you know.
why I like looking at higher time frames.
Yeah.
When I'm in the trade.
Yeah.
Um, 7 more minutes. I kind of want to see what the hourly candle will close. If it's gonna close bullish or bearish. Pink or white. So, you know how it has that thing on Top Step where it's time and sales, and then it has like a bunch of red numbers and green numbers?
Yeah.
Is that people buying and selling?
I think so, yeah. Are you looking at the order book?
Is that what it is?
I think
Where
it's
it
order
says
book.
time and sales.
Yeah, this order. Yeah. That's just people. That's like the bid and ask, like where people are bidding market and where people are asking in the market. I think, at least. But did you say something about pink or white? I was listening to a voice note.
Yeah, because my candles are pink and white.
Yeah.
I was saying I wonder if the hourly candle's gonna close pink or white.
Oh, I like it
bullish or
pink.
bearish.
Pink is bearish, right?
No, pink is bullish.
Oh no, I don't like it when it's pink. No. We want it to be white, right?
Is bearish. Yeah.
Yeah, white. White rules over everything.
Yes.
That's a bad joke.
Yes.
Let's use dark for a bit. I haven't used dark in a while. Wait, why is it in dollar amounts now?
I remember why I stopped joining the chats, the Discord chats.
Why? Distracting?
It's distracting and they're always trying to teach me new strategies, but I'm trying to focus on one thing, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I don't want to learn a bunch of new strategies.
I want to go.
Do one.
I want to see the guy who invited you this morning, the gold guy. Because what the fuck was his UAV alien circle indicator? I don't know.
The Milky Way chart.
I want to ask him, look him in the eye, and say, do you seriously trade like this?
He does. He really does. But he passed all his combines. So I'm just like wondering if that's what he used to pass them. That shit's funny. We got 3 more minutes. I wonder what Mamba did. I use Mamba as Confluence.
What the hell? Is he short?
Just kidding. Nah, because sometimes, like... Well, sometimes once he calls a trade, it's like 50-50 though. Like, sometimes he'll be right, sometimes he's wrong.
The other day you said that you see a lot of people are always right. Yet one of your mentors, one of the people you've been learning from the longest, is wrong sometimes.
Yeah. And I'm happy he shows his losses too, because it's like real, you know? And he live trades in front of like 500 plus people. Every morning. Which I still have to get my account from him. I have a free Clarity account. I gotta get it. I just have to pass it. Price is hoeing us. We got one more minute on the timer until the new hourly candle opens. But I mean, it already took out London lows, unless it's trying to take out Asia low and dump, because it already took out Asia high and London high. So what more liquidity does it need? Don't be talking smack about me.
I ain't talking smack.
I'm kidding. I can't. I am not watching your YouTube right now. I know you're just focused.
No, I'm texting AC. He's asking about my model.
Your new model?
Well, cause I have to show you all the data. Actually, I should show you. Yeah, you want to see?
Yeah. Ooh, it closed bearish. That's a good sign. I don't like how it opened up though. There's no top wick on the hourly candle. That's scary. It's gonna come up a little.
Okay, let me show you all the. So I backed this from my model 1. I'm gonna share my screen.
I'm watching it.
No, the whole screen so you can see. You see it now?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, no. Let me actually change this so that I can, because I want to record and upload this trade. I'll change it to my other screen. Okay. You can see it now?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey everybody, I see I have 3 viewers. Welcome to the stream. Feel free to like the stream.
Are the winds on the left?
If you would mind, that would encourage me. Yeah, so no, I'm gonna show you the data. I'm also gonna talk about it so the stream can hear. But basically, this is where I put like all my like backtesting data. It's a private channel, but so far in 2025, the raw model I created through last year is 21 and 14 with a 1.95 expectancy. That means every trade, if it loses or it wins, will pay me about twice what I'm risking, on average, which is really, really good. Most industry, they're about between 0.2 and 0.5. So it's like 4 times what the industry uses. And then it jumps to 2.73 expectancy. That's like the profit factor. And 18 and 6, only taking trades with clean 5-minute sweeps. So throughout the year, the only sweeps, like at the beginning of the year, I was taking just any sweeps. Unless it was really wicky, that's the only time I wouldn't take the sweep. And then sometime lately, I've applied a rule where I only take body sweeps. But there's still a lot more things that I use to evaluate what's a clean sweep and what's not a clean sweep. And those are things I don't just tell anyone, because if I were to tell anyone, then anybody could trade this model. And this is something that took me 2 years to build. When I have actually like a major success for a long time with it, I'm gonna start to show it to other people. But for the most part, there are 3 trades every 4 weeks. So you can see the chart. I'm 18 and 6 for the year with that model. It means 24 trades throughout the year. So it increases to 3 trades every 2 weeks. And this is about pretty accurate for what I've been trading this year. So with taking the bad sweeps, without the refinements and adjustments I made, it's about 3 trades every 2 weeks if you don't ignore news, right? And I had been trading only on news. I've just been taking a lot of bad setups that are, well, now are bad setups, before weren't faulty trades. But this model will make money faster throughout a year if I trade on no news, but it's gonna have more losers. So over 100 trades, trading only news is more profitable. You run into less losses, but there's less trades, so you make less money overall. I'd be giving up some money not trading news, but I think I'm okay with that, because it could also mean I can risk more money, like even 10% risk on, or even 20% risk. It would be fine. Psychologically probably not, but on each trade. The question to trade news or not remains, for 100 trades. Well, I just explained that. This means through a year I'd make more. Yeah, I already explained that. And just to give you an idea, if I were to only trade no news, the win rate would still be 50%, compared to 75% if I only trade news. But and I'm going for about, on average, 3.98 RR for each winner. And I may also be trading a second model that is manageable with my work schedule. Obviously, you know that. That's like our model, the one I'm trading right now on live. We're in that model. So and then these are the days it shows up on: Mondays 3 and 2, Tuesdays 7 and 1, Wednesdays 6 and 4, Thursdays 3 and 4, and Fridays 6 and 0. So Tuesday and Fridays being the most profitable days, and Wednesdays being the day that has the most trades. And for news days only, Monday has no trades, Tuesday is 4 and 1, Wednesday 6 and 1, Thursdays 3 and 4, and Fridays 5 and 0. So still, now it's like Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday are my best days. And that's good because it gives me an idea of when I should be looking to schedule my work schedule going forward, whenever my work starts next year. And I have complete flexibility over when I want to work too, so that's good because it gives me, now that I have a baseline of when to expect trades. Well, I need to get more data. Like, I prefer to have 20 trades on each day, a 20 trade sample size, 10 to 20 trades on each day, to get a really good idea of when the best days are over 3 years. That way I'll be able to ask off every time. Like, if Friday's my most profitable day, I don't want to open on Friday morning, so I'm gonna ask to close. Something like that, That way I can trade your model and work. But then, if I can, the 6 Fridays a year my model shows up, I'll be there to trade it. And I'll have at least those, I'll have the opportunity to take those 6 trades a year.
Wait, I was still looking at all that stuff, or is it in the Discord?
I can give you access to the channel. But you can't share anything here.
I'm not gonna share anything.
Okay, because this is like private, very private stuff, like models I'm developing. Only 3 people have access. And me.
It would have hit my OG TP.
Nice. Imagine it goes up now and it loses.
Stop. I'm gonna be mad at you. I'm kidding. I can't be mad at you.
Yeah.
That's bad psychology.
Yeah, not good. Not good. You have to be mad at the Indian guy who took your money on the other side of the world.
I'll be mad at the Jew.
Yeah.
That did a Jew fake app.
I can work with that.
Come on, stop hoeing us and dump already.
Be patient. God damn. Do you know the longest time I've been in a trade is like 3 hours?
I know, oh my god. I know I'm gonna have to deal with that in the future.
Deal with it. Deal with it now.
I'm an emotional trader right
In my Discord, there's no room for emotion.
Dang. I'm gonna have to turn it off, my emotions.
Not all your emotions. W-Riz? I always have W-Riz. Alright, so here is a short-term low that we swept. Now,
happen 8:30
if we keep going lower
a.m. open,
and we hit midnight,
are you happy you took this model?
Technically it's my model. No, there's no room for emotion. I already told you. I'm a robot.
Sorry, you're not happy. I'm sorry.
You're funny.
No emotions. Dang. I like how your TP's blue. The box.
Yeah. I keep it purple for NLP and blue for my main model, but I changed the chart so to a darker color, so it's blue.
Cute.
No, purple doesn't look good.
Purple makes it look girly. Like my
No,
chart.
this dark purple is better. That looks okay.
Dark purple. Yeah, that one's sick. I like it. Wait, so you're gonna be hearing me all emotional on your live?
Yeah. It's also good for you because you can go back and look at how emotional you sound. I was about to say how stupid.
I'm scared to watch that.
She's not stupid. No. Are you gonna watch it back?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
You're gonna hear the Riz.
From you?
Yeah.
You did that silent Riz.
The silent Riz.
That mute Riz.
It's the best Riz. It's a psychological Riz.
That's funny.
You just feel it.
You should post these as short videos on TikTok. That silent trader Riz. That would be funny.
That would be.
Price just wants my juicy TP. Come on, take it.
You gotta stop.
I'm thirsty.
Then drink some water.
I am. I'm grabbing some right. Order filled.
Nice. My TP's still a little lower.
I'm just kidding. My order didn't fill yet.
Oh.
I sent my TP.
You were trying to sound like a man.
No ways.
Order filled.
Order filled.
No, you sound like a little kid trying to do an adult voice.
Like you, huh?
No. I'm a big boy.
Okay. If you say so.
I know you can see my camera.
Hey! What the hell are you
We're gonna change scenery.
You cut me off. I've been cut off of camera privileges.
You'll have to rewatch to see exactly what I say and do.
Okay. I will. Come on, stop hoeing us.
That's what she said.
I'm probably gonna wake up to you clipping TikTok videos of this.
Only for you.
Okay.
Brother, it stopped 3.25 points from TP. There you go. Hit
What
TP.
was that?
TP.
Oh.
I heard the order fill. There you go.
My
What's
order
up, Andy?
has been filled.
We're listening to some
Now I can go to sleep.
crazy gunner right now. Rule number 1: don't talk to police. I made an M1 college degree. Straight out of street in Major League. Okay, so this was my Model 1. I'm gonna stay on and see if I get my Model 1. This is Model 2. I went 1 micro, risking 1 or 2% of the account. My other model I risked 5% though. But I gotta keep an eye on the range, because if the range becomes more than 200, then I will not be trading no more. What the fuck? Why won't you?
Okay,
Oh.
let's go.
Huh? Am I crazy right now? Why is it not? Why won't it? Offline? I don't know, bro. It doesn't matter. So now, commissions. I don't know how much I spent. We'll see tomorrow. I think it's $1.20. But yeah, this is how I'm gonna log my trades. Using this sheet. And then I have Model 2 or 1 on the side here. Yeah. Strap like a task force. Hit her from the back. Bitch, I'm a bad boy. Put on a tab. Oh, wait a minute. There you go. I can't see what it is though. I don't know. See, I knew I could have held this a lot more to this low. But I don't like long wicks, so I chose to hold it to these lows. Just above midnight open. It would have been, I mean, not that much more money. It would have been like another extra $50. But still, it can compound, you know? Whatever. But I was right on basically everything at the beginning of the day. And it's not about being right. This model it doesn't matter if I'm right or wrong. But, you know, I was looking at UJ. Andy, I know you trade UJ. But we were dumping on UJ. And I know UJ is usually correlated with the NASDAQ. So I was looking at UJ and I was looking at gold absolutely pumping. It just didn't make sense. It didn't make sense that gold was rising, UJ was going down, and NASDAQ was going to go up. So I knew that we were probably in for a pullback. And with unemployment news being, you know, higher than expected, that's bullish. because that means the Fed are probably gonna cut rates, so it'd be bullish, and price had already went up. So I'm like, this is perfect scenario to have a sell off. Like everything's inviting a sell off, you know, and boom, it's just we didn't get that sweep. We did get this, you know, we didn't get the sweep I would have wanted for my first model, for my main model. But yeah, let me go back to LPT. I prefer blue, to be honest. Yeah, just hey, hello.
Hello.
What's up? I didn't actually align with news. News is bullish.
Kind of watch your live back.
Oh.
Are you still live or no?
Yeah, I'm still live. I'm about to end it though. Yeah, because I wanna.
Are you gonna take your first model or no?
I don't think it's gonna be there because the range rule. Yeah, it's now past the minimum range. It's over 200 points.
Yeah.
So it can no longer show up.
Yeah. I'm still waiting for my friend to get back to me. By the way, I don't think he's seen my message yet.
Yeah, it's okay. We won't. We'll go in the Discord next week.
Yeah.
If you want.
Yeah, I want.
Alright, well, thank you everybody who showed up. I'm gonna go and enjoy it. I'm getting a car today, so
I'm probably gonna back test
the whole story with my current car being in the workshop, but we're gonna go ahead and do that. Withdraw the money I just made to go buy a car. No, I'm kidding, no.